Yes, you can get the treat. Yes, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yes, faster, 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 faster. Go, you can do it. Yes, yes. Okay, Nala, here's your treat. Good girl. So one of the things that I've been doing is learning about gardening, and I've been interested in learning the Latin names and the common names of different herbs. So you've got the Latin names here, and then the common names are on the opposite side. Well, I guess one drawback of gardening at home, or at least trying to do it organically, is that the snails are getting to the fruit. See what I can try to salvage from this. Well, I guess it's not too bad. I mean, I was able to cut out the bad bits, and I'll stick this in the fridge. Well, at least the kumquats are doing pretty well. One of the hobbies I've been trying out is growing things at home, and we've got this really cool pink mushroom. I learned it probably came from West Africa, and I've been trying to mist it every day, and they say that this will keep it growing. In fact, it's nearly doubled in size in the past days, so I think I'm getting ready to eat it. Okay, well, I guess it's now harvest time. Let's see if I can do this properly. Getting the maximum of mushroom with the minimum of bloodshed on my part. It's kind of interesting that it's coming apart in little pieces. I sort of pictured it more one giant piece. Let's see. Maybe this could be one big piece. And I tried it earlier, just the raw piece, and it has a very has a nice umami flavor, and in particular, I think that in combination with cashew, oddly enough, it really kind of intensifies that flavor. Okay, so we've almost gotten it. The last piece is right here. It's a beautiful little bunch. Ah, okay, great. Well, that's a nice piece right there. And we're ready for the next crop.